Welcome back to this chapter 5 video tutorial on Excel VBA tutorial basic to advanced. In this chapter you will learn the method of data copy and paste using VBA code. For this let's go to chapter 5 sheet, then click on the developer tab, Visual Basic. Here create a module for data copy paste. For that click on insert module. If you want to rename the module name you can click on it, go to view tab, then go to properties window. Here you can change the name of the module. Let me put here copy underscore paste, then press enter to rename. Close this properties window. Now here create a sub procedure for data copy paste. Let me put here sub data copy paste, open and close bracket, and then press enter. Between this sub and end sub we have to write the code for data copy paste. Suppose that if you want to copy this table and paste it in another location, then the code will be range, open bracket, then put here the copy range which is from B2 cell to E6 cell. So type here double quotes B2 colon E6 double quotes bracket close dot copy. Now this code will copy this range. If you click on the run button, here you see this is copied. Now to paste this range in another location, write this code, press enter, then type here range, open bracket. If you want to paste this here in B8 cell, then type here double quotes B8 double quotes bracket close dot, then type here paste special, which you can see here. You can also double click on it to choose, then put a space, then it will open these paste special options. Here this syntax is covering the paste special option. To enable this you can press backspace, then again press the space key. Now you see all the options are visible. If you want to paste everything, then select this Excel paste all option. If you want to paste only the values, then you can go down and select this values option. Similarly here you can see other options like Excel paste formulas, Excel paste formats. You can choose any option according to your requirement. Here let me select this Excel paste all option by double clicking. Now press enter. Now if you click on the run button, this table will be copy paste. Let me click on this run button and here you see the data is copied. After copy and paste the data, here the data is still in copy mode. You can see these moving lines around the table. It means it is in copy mode. To exit from this copy mode, here you have to write another code, that is application dot cut copy mode. Double click on this to choose is equal to false. Then press enter. Now if you run this code, this copy mode will exit. Let me hit on the run button. Here you see the copy mode is removed. So this is the first method of data copy paste using VBA code. Let's look into the second method, in which I will use the direct method. For example, if I want to copy this value in the H1 cell to I1 cell, then I can write the code in this way. Range I1 dot value is equal to range H1 dot value. This code will simply copy the value in H1 cell to I1 cell. Press enter. When I press enter, it has given this error message because I have forgot to type the double quotation here. So type here double quotation after this I1 range, then press enter. Now if you run the code, this value will be copied to this I1 cell. Let me click on the run button and here you see the value in H1 cell is copied to value in I1 cell. So these are the two methods of data copy paste using VBA code. In the next chapter we will learn how to change the font property of text, how to apply border to the cell, and how to change the text orientation by using VBA code. If you want to download and practice this, you can get this sample workbook file from the video description below. When you download the macro enabled Excel file, it will be downloaded in a compressed zipped folder. You have to follow certain steps before you make the file usable. To make the macro enabled file usable, follow the guideline that is given in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next chapter.